Hey there, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be diving into using the X3 alongside your furry friend to master the art of getting your dog intrigued by this camera. We've got a little trick up our sleeves that is incredibly effective. So let's dive right in.
Start by picking up your X3 camera, switching to video mode and shooting at 5.7K at 30 frames per second. Next, grab your preferred selfie pole and connect the two. To grab your furry friend's attention, apply their favourite paste snack on top of the camera. Once they've had a taste, you'll have their full attention. We can now elevate our dog to the main character status. By setting a keyframe, opting for track subject, and drawing a box around our furry friend, we let AI work its magic, ensuring our subject is perfectly framed. Trim the clip, export it, and share the delightful moments with family and friends on social media.
And that's a wrap for getting your four-legged pal intrigued by your Insta360 X3 for some delightful memories. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly tutorials. Until next time, happy shooting.